Ever had dreams where you're running late for a meeting but suddenly you're in your childhood home, which is now a beach, and your boss is a talking dolphin? Well, get ready to take control of those wild adventures because today, we're diving deep into the art of lucid dreaming, where you become the Spielberg of your subconscious. Before we embark on this dreamy journey, make sure you stick around till the end. Trust me, the final tip is not just a dream, it's a reality check you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with our first tip. But before that, first off, what's the deal with lucid dreaming? It's like being Sherlock Holmes in a dream. You're not just a passive observer, you're solving mysteries and cracking codes. Except instead of a magnifying glass, you're armed with awareness and a pinch of imagination. We are gonna go through 4 tips that are gonna help you with lucid dreaming. Stay till the end because the last 2 are the most important ones. If you fail to implement them, you won't be able to lucid dream. Tip number 1, reality checks. No, not the am I really awake or still dreaming type, although that's part of it. It's more like doing a reality audit. Ask yourself, am I dreaming, and give your surroundings a skeptical once-over. Like, if your cat starts reciting Shakespeare, it might be time to acknowledge you're in a dreamland. Tip number 2, keep a dream journal. Think of it as your dream BFF. It listens to your nocturnal escapades without judgment. Jot down every detail as soon as you wake up. Trust me, you'll appreciate the reminder that last night you were a secret agent saving the world with a toaster. Tip number 3, mild technique. Before hitting the hay, repeat to yourself, tonight, I'll realize I'm dreaming. It's like setting a mental alarm clock, but instead of waking up on time, you're waking up in your dreams. It's effective and way cooler than counting sheep, especially when those sheep start breakdancing. Tip number 4, wake back to bed, or WBTB. Set an early morning alarm, then use the time to read about lucid dreaming or meditate on your dream goals. Just don't fall back asleep before putting your lucid dreaming skills to the test, unless your dream goal is to nap through your morning coffee. Okay, enough of that. Now, let's talk benefits, because who wouldn't want to turn nightmares into giggles and practice salsa dancing with Einstein? Benefit number 1, nightmare control. Lucid dreaming lets you flip the script on scary dreams. That creepy clown chasing you? Turn him into a party clown with a confetti cannon. It's like having your own personal valet. Benefit number 2, creative genius mode. Need inspiration? Lucid dreaming is your 3D printer for ideas. Test drive inventions, compose symphonies, or even brainstorm the perfect comeback for that argument you had 3 years ago. It's like having a brainstorming session with your inner Picasso. Benefit number 3, skill sharpening. Whether you're perfecting your golf swing or practicing a presentation, lucid dreaming lets you rehearse without the pressure. It's like having a dream gym where the only weight you lift is your dream self's potential. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow dreamers. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Now go forth and dream big.